Hello guys, now welcome back to my private hair tutorial channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you more tips, but it takes time to let you practice this kind of skill without the scissors. Do you remember I posted one video teach you guys how to test if the hair is raw hair or not by scissors scrape the hair? But in this video I'm going to teach you without the scissor how you can tell the hair quality. It takes a little bit time to practice this skill, but it worth practicing. This type of hair I'm going to ship to one of my very important private customer celebrity. You see the web is neat and clean. This raw hair. So all over on internet, people are saying that they are selling their raw hair, cuticle line hair, single donor hair. But do you know how to tell the difference if it is real or not? I'm not sure if your hair vendors will teach you how to test this kind of hair, but I'm going to teach you for free. So subscribe my video, follow up. I will always offer you something very useful tip in this hair business. Subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's take this one here. The real raw hair, you can feel a little bit oil from your body. Even after we cut the hair from the donors, you will feel it. So the more times you wash the hair, you will feel the hair still full of cuticle. How do you feel the hair is full of cuticle or not? Like this. You pull some strand of hair out like this, and you push, and you will feel the hair, the strands of hair will bounce back. It feels like the hair is pushing back. The hair is pushing back. It feels like the hair is pushing back. Now this is the direction line from top to the end. So upside down, okay, remember upside down this skill. But this upside down, I'm going to teach you how do you feel it. You can feel the sound of the force of friction. The force of friction when you go to the opposite side like this. You scrape the hair with your finger slowly. You will feel a little bit resistance from the hair, and you hold the hair, you scrap the hair hard and go down. You will feel the sound of the fricative sound from the hair. This, you see, go down, keep going down, but you hold the hair strong, very strongly, and push down. You will feel the fricative sound from the hair itself, from the inside. This hair without any cuticle, it will not like pushing back. But with full cuticle inside the hair, you will see this resistance is not easy to go down. Remember, this is the upside down, right? Remember, this is the upside down. Okay, let me show you again. This is the direction of the hair, and you hold upside down and pull some hair out. Okay, when you feel the hair, this scrap like this. Yes, hold it. Go down. You go down. You can feel the fricative sound from the hair. It's the resistance from the hair cuticle. The resistance from the hair cuticle. Remember. But if the hair vendors put a lot of chemical inside the hair, when you go make it upside down like this, you do the same way. It's very easy to go down silky, very silky. If you go down, it's very silky without any sound of without any fricative sound without any resistance, then you will know that the hair renders put a lot of chemical inside to make it very smooth, very smooth. But this hair is not. This hair is definitely not this one. But it takes a little bit time. For like you spend 1 month to practice your skill. Today, you keep touching the hair today. You keep the, you can buy 2 type of quality hair. You can buy 2 type of quality hair, and every day you touch one type of hair, like practice this skill, and you touch another bundle. You touch another bundle, still practice this skill. Okay, maybe the first time you will not feel big difference, but you keep practicing. You keep practicing. Go down, scrap the hair, go down, upside down. 1 week, you will feel a little bit difference. You spend another week, second week, the third week, the fourth week, you will feel the difference. But you need to practice. Like I'm exporting hair every day. I'm exporting hair every day. I know the difference. I know the difference very well. So when you touch the hair, I know the big difference. But for you guys, it's not, because not many hair vendors will teach you this kind of time-consuming skill to make you more professional, very professional in this hair business. Not many vendors will teach you this kind of skill, but because it takes time, also people they know that you guys don't want to spend too much time to learn the skill. So to me, in my hair business, it takes time. So I'm willing to teach you this kind of skill. Remember, upside down, you go upside down to feel. Very important that you will feel the oil from your body, because our body contains a lot of the oil. Even when the hair grow up, the hair also contains a lot of oil. So even after you cut this, you still can feel the oil in the hair. It's not like conditioner. It's not like any hair oil, because if you put hair oil in the hair, after 1 time, 2 times, 3 times washing, the hair oil will go. You understand me? But the nutrition, the hair inside the hair cuticle will not go. It can keep for very long time, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, even 5 years. Because a lot of customers, they keep coming back to purchase this type of hair for after many years. Of course, some celebrities, they buy it for personal use. So this is how I will explain to you. There is not like hair oil in the hair, because after a few times washing, the hair will go. But the body hair, the body oil, I mean the body oil in the hair will not go. They can keep it inside for very long time. Time consuming. This skill is very time consuming. Upside down, remember, you feel it. Small strand, you feel it like this. Remember, this one, and then go down. You will feel the fricative sound. So I hope you guys can learn from this video. Subscribe, you follow up. I will teach you more tips. I show you more information about this hair business. I'll see you guys in the next video.